Check it. Alright, y'all, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're looking at Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, XRP, Dogecoin, these altcoins, plus Ethereum as well. In this video, we also look at two of my favorite meme coins that I'm looking at right now. So we will be looking at some meme coins in this video, and we're also going to look at Bitcoin as well, giving you guys market predictions, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and psychological analysis on these asset classes. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. All right, yo, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're looking at Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to be looking at XRP, Dogecoin, and a few altcoins and meme coins, plus Bitcoin and Ethereum in this video. So if you like those coins, go ahead and check it out, and we'll be looking at other altcoins as well. I do apologize if I sound a little bit off. I am a little bit under the weather in this moment, so I am going to try to get through this video and knock it out. This is my weekly cryptocurrency update. I do a cryptocurrency video at least once a week. Let me know if you want to see more cryptocurrency videos down in the comments below. But in this video, we're going to be looking at XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few altcoins and meme coins. So the first thing I want to point out is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most important cryptocurrency. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is the leader. It's going to be showing people where it's headed. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is in this falling wedge. It's a bullish structure. We're currently holding this uptrending support here. So we do have an uptrending support marked in white. And if we break that, I do expect to continue down all the way down to about 22,000, maybe even 20,000 around that range, 21,000, 22,000 around that range, as you guys can see price marked here on the side. Before we break to the upside and continue to the upside, a falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. A lot of people on my channel will already know this, but if you're new to my channel, we'll go ahead and pull it up for you guys, just so you guys can get some education and see what we're working with. But a falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, letting us know that we're going to have a higher high. As you guys can see, the falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, and it will be moving to the upside. As you guys can see, you can take your low from your high to get a possible breakout target for your falling wedge. So let's go ahead and take this low and this high, then move it to our breakout point, and that will give us our breakout target for the falling wedge. And as you guys can see, we have a breakout target of this falling wedge all the way up to about 31 to 36,000 in my personal opinion. So I do think we are building up momentum to break that overall macro resistance of 31,000, 30,000. Once we break that region, it will become a bull market very, very quickly. For Bitcoin, I am under the assumption that the market is going to be crashing, but Bitcoin won't necessarily crash with the market. We might see some initial pullback, but I think the Bitcoin is going to decouple from the S&P 500 as it matures and becomes a better asset. There is only a certain amount of Bitcoins. That is why it is better than fiat currency, and that is why the SEC is trying to ruin the cryptocurrency market. But do not let them shake you out. They're trying to shake you out before a massive move to the upside. And we do have people on our side. You guys can see that U.S. Senator Bill H. is suggesting to take action against the SEC for using their power to destroy the cryptocurrency market. As you guys can see, not everyone is with Gary Gensler and his plans to destroy the cryptocurrency market. People want to see crypto do good. They want to see this continue to flourish. They want to see the technology do well and continue to let crypto flourish and move around freely in the US. So again, Gary Gensler is a rat. We all know this. He's done many things. He shouldn't even be in this position that he's in. I really don't think anyone thinks he's a good chair of the SEC, but that is nor here nor there. I do not think that they're going to be able to destroy crypto. Crypto is a internet protocol and a network protocol. They will not be able to destroy that. Even if they push cryptocurrency out, other countries are already starting to adopt it. Even China, that originally banned cryptocurrency. And the fact is that if China's doing it and enemies of the US states are doing it, then the US has to do it too. So this is not going to be good for the US to try to push cryptocurrency out, and I do think it is a bad move, but I do think it is actually just a bigger ploy to try to shake people out, steal your cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin in particular, is a very special asset. There's only a certain amount of Bitcoin, so they literally need to steal it from you. If nobody's selling, They need to make you sell. They need to try to put fear in the market, FOMO, or fear in the market, FUD in the market, and try to make you sell, make you capitulate, make you think that the bull market is not coming. But if you go ahead and look at the charts are very, very clear what's going on. If we go ahead and look at the alligator is a momentum indicator. You can see your blue or your green band on top here, and then your blue band on the bottom here. This is letting you know that this move has a ton of momentum. As the more momentum the move has, the farther apart the bands will be. And as you guys can see, once the move comes to the end, the bands start to get close together. And we're depending on if it's an upside move, the green band will be on the top. If it's a downside move, the blue band will be on top. But as you guys can see, we're in this upside move, plenty of width in these bands, and this move is still being moved to the upside on the weekly time frame on the alligator. Also, if you go ahead and look at the weekly time frame, when in doubt, zoom out, you guys will see that we have a buy signal on the weekly time frame for the super trend. So if we go ahead and pop on the super trend, you guys will see the weekly buy signal. Last time we had this weekly buy signal, we had this massive run up here in the midst or the end of the bull market, the last bull market, and then we also had the bull market run in 2020. So you guys can see that we do have that buy signal again, and we are also breaking out of a macro falling wedge, which is a bullish continuation pattern. We just learned about this, indicating higher highs for Bitcoin higher than 69K, and I do think Bitcoin is going to move higher than 69K into the halving into 2025 and continue a new bull run. We are looking very, very good for a new bullish continuation to the upside as we are holding this macro ascending white trend. But if we break that white uptrend, I do expect us to continue down to about the 20,000, 23,000, and then move to the upside to 30,000 once we break this falling wedge. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin on the smaller time frames. If we go ahead and look on the larger time frames, the log scale, you guys can see that is a good time to buy Bitcoin. As you guys can see, anytime it is in the blue, it's in the fire sale mode. And right now we are in fire sale mode. You want to be buying down here. You always want to do the opposite of the herd. You want to be buying when people are fearful and be greedy when people are fearful, and be fearful when people are greedy. If you look at the market fear and greed index, you can see that it is at neutral. It's not at the fear when we were down near 15, 16, 17,000 when I was accumulating, but we are still in neutral, and this is still a golden buying opportunity for Bitcoin in my personal opinion. Not financial advice, based off the charts and the technicals that we are seeing. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin on the long, short, and medium term. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum, XRP, and Doge coin. So you can see Ethereum also is in a falling wedge, also has that buy signal on the weekly time frame, is also in a huge bull run. In my personal opinion, this is just the start of the bull run. It's very methodical. It is very it's very methodical. It's sideways. It is not very exciting, but we will see more movement to the upside. If you go ahead and look at the market psychology as well, this is something I like to use a lot. You guys can see that we have already went through the capitulation stage. We've already went through anger, and we are in the disbelief rally as of right now. So go ahead and look at the chart right here. You can see your euphoria rally, then you drop down into your complacency stage, and then drop down into anger and depression, then go into the disbelief rally. If we go ahead and look at the Bitcoin chart, you guys can see that this was your complacency stage. Just drop down in this upward sideways chop. As you guys can see, you drop down and then upward sideways chop. Complacency stage, we just need to cool off before the next bull run. That's what everyone thought. We hit this overall macro sloping resistance, got knocked down. Anger, depression, you always want to look at a lower low for anger, depression. You guys can see anger, depression, lower low. Now you guys can see we're moving into the disbelief rally. They think it's a suckers rally, but this is actually the start of a massive bull run based off of the psychology, the charts, and the fundamentals for Bitcoin. We are seeing that is going to be moving to the upside. Everyone thinks this is a suckers rally, but really what it's going to lead into is hope, recovery, optimism in the next bull run. And then this is when all the normies are going to hop in the optimism phase. You want to be building your position before the optimism phase. You want to be doing the opposite of the herd, making the most money as possible, buying the bottoms. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin on the longer and short terms, and based off of the psychology and Ethereum as well. I do think both of these assets are bullish. As you guys can see, Ethereum accumulating in this falling wedge as well. I do think Ethereum is going to come back down to about 16 to 1400 and then see that push up past 2100, 2200, breaking this local high for Ethereum as it is in the overall disbelief rally, and is going to start a uptrend into 2024, 2025. Let's go ahead and look at the technicals for XRP and see what we're looking at for XRP. So XRP has this bullish pennant right here. Also, buy signal on a weekly time frame. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the macro picture for the bigger moves, the bigger picture to get an idea of what's going on. You can see that once XRP breaks this overall macro sloping resistance, it is going to have a bullish uptrend. This is a bullish pennant, and that is a bullish pattern telling us that XRP is bottoming out. And I do think once Bitcoin starts to move to the upside, XRP will move to the upside, especially when the court case is out. So once the court case is done for XRP, XRP is going to be an extremely valuable asset in my personal opinion. It's one of the banker coins. Also another coin that you can look at is Stellar XLM. I do hold Stellar XLM. I do not hold XRP only because I wasn't able to buy XRP as easily. I do know how to buy meme coins and stuff like that, but I went with Stellar XLM because it was much more easily accessible. But those are two coins that are basically the same. I would say XRP is probably a little bit better as a banking coin, but Stellar XLM is right there with them. But I do think based off the technicals, it is setting up for a nice movement to the upside and has seen a bottom and will be pushing to the upside. We can go ahead and look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin, same story, has a sloping resistance here. This overall sloping resistance marked in orange. Once it breaks this sloping resistance, you can see a pump up to the upside, breaking this local high of 15 cents for Dogecoin. And again, once Bitcoin starts to get past 30,000 for these coins and it flips into the bull market, because 30,000 is basically the point of saying that it's a bull market. 31,000 is the point of saying it's a bull market. It was the floor of the last bull run, so it is pretty much the saying it's a bull market. So once we get past 32,000, around that range, I do think all of the altcoins are going to start catching up and start moving to the upside. But as you guys can see, over the last day, lots of red in the altcoin market. Over the last week, only a few green coins. And over the last month, we do have coins like XRP up, RNDR up 12%. XRP is up 19% over the month. So we do see some coins still holding gains like XRP, which we just covered the technicals, which has a bullish structure as well. So that's what I'm looking at for the meme coins and the altcoins. Let's go ahead and cover some of the meme coins. I meant the altcoins. Let's go ahead and cover some of the meme coins and some of the more obscure coins and see what we have going on. So we're actually going to check out Pepe. We're going to look at Pepe on the chart. And I'm also going to look at another meme coin that I find interesting. So we're going to look at Pepe here on the chart and see if we can see any type of analysis here for Pepe and see what's going on with Pepe. So Pepe is up only 0.8% in the last hour, down 19% in the last 24 hours, down 27% in the last 7 days, and in the last 30 days, down 32%. Let's go ahead and put on the candles for Pepe and see what we're looking at, and then go to the 14-day time frame. You can see that Pepe is seeing some capitulation, moving down to the downside, and it is in an overall downtrend along with the Bitcoin and crypto market. It does have this overall sloping resistance, so if it can break that sloping resistance, if you went ahead and draw a line, you guys can see this line down. Once it breaks that, it can pump to the upside, but it looks like this is an accumulation range before moving to the upside. Again, Pepe is very, very risky, and you want to move in and out of these coins. You do not want to be holding these coins for the long term and holding these coins for massive gains unless you are believing that it's going to move to the upside. But again, still extremely risky in my personal opinion. I would only put about 5% weighting in alt or in meme coins. Then I would hold about 50% Bitcoin, and then I would hold about 45% altcoins, and then maybe 5% meme coins. My personal opinion is I hold 50% Bitcoin, and then I hold 50% altcoins, very rarely dabbling in meme coins in my personal opinion. Let's go ahead and look at another meme coin that I do like, and I have bought some meme coins, but I very rarely dabble in them because of the risk in them. But this is another coin that you guys can check out. Dino LFG. Dino LFG. This is another coin that might have huge potential once Bitcoin moves into that next bull market, that next optimism phase, euphoria phase, when things start to get crazy in the crypto market, what everyone is waiting for. You guys can see that over the past hour, it's up 0.4%, down 10% in the last 7 days, and in the last 14 days, down 33%. Looks like it is finding a bottom as it makes this rounded bottom here, and then we'll start pushing to the upside. Again, especially if Bitcoin can find a bottom and start catching some momentum here on this white uptrend and start using it as support and not have to break down in this falling wedge and continue to the upside. So that is what I'm looking at for meme coins. So those are two meme coins that I do like, Pepe and Dino LFG. This is what I'm looking at for the overall crypto market. Do not let them shake you out of your position. In my personal opinion, they are literally trying to steal the crypto from under your nose because Bitcoin literally has a finite amount, so the only way they can manipulate you is to get you to sell this thing with FUD. It's not like stocks where they can do different things like stock splits or reverse splits, or they can make more or do some synthetics. They cannot create synthetic Bitcoin, and that's why they have to use these drastic tactics to scare you guys out of your position. But if you go ahead and look at Bitcoin on the bigger time frames, when in doubt, zoom out, you guys can see that Bitcoin is on a fire sale mode. As you guys can see, it is marked here in the blue section. Anytime Bitcoin is in this blue section, that is literally the fire sale region, and that is where we are right now, especially as Bitcoin starts to move to the downside. I know me personally, I will be accumulating more Bitcoin in this range, waiting for that push up to 30 to 30,000, and then that overall bull market run, which we are going to have based off of the psychology, the fundamentals, and the technicals, all telling us the same thing. It's all telling us that this is the disbelief rally. The falling wedge is telling us that we're having a bullish move to the upside. This breakout is confirming that move to the upside, this white uptrend that we're holding, and things look very, very good for the crypto market, bottoming out in this range and then moving to the upside, making all-time highs into 2024 and 2025. So this is what I'm looking at for the crypto and Bitcoin and altcoin meme coin market. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, you can check me out on Twitter, and I do have a Discord as well. It is $50 right now on sale. $50. I post my stocks, trades, cryptos all day long, talk about that all day long as well. So if you find it interesting, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. I'll leave those linked down below, and we could talk about an exchange price, or talk about the price, which is $50, and then I can get you guys in the Discord. Or you could become a member for $2.99 a month, $2.99 a month. You get exclusive idioms, exclusive access to my content, and exclusive validation as a member on this channel. Cancel at any time, or just support me for free simply by pressing like or leaving a comment or subscribing. I truly appreciate each and every one of you that do so and that watch to the end of the video to see this message. Again, if you found this video informative, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, y'all, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Remember, you can join my Discord or become a member, $2.99 a month, $50 for my Discord. And I truly appreciate each and every one of you that watched to the end of this video. If you want to support me, go ahead and drop a comment, press like, or again, join my subscription or Discord. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.